I just figured out that Lululemon's $98 Align leggings come out of the same factory as Vuori, Alo Yoga, and Gap. One factory, the same machine, same workers, same fabric blend. The label is the only thing that's different. So I went down a rabbit hole, and what I found means that anyone watching could literally start a clothing brand using Lululemon's actual facilities, their actual factories. Here's the data, and here's how you'd actually do it. The premium athletic wear industry is a $30 billion market. So Lululemon, Vuori, Athleta, Patagonia, leggings between $80 and $120. And almost the entire thing is held up by maybe 10 factories, most of them in Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. And they produce for whoever pays them, including direct competitors. So sometimes on the same factory floor. So I want to show you the actual data and then show you how you, if you wanted to compete in this space, you could approach these factories using a tool called SourceReady. So if you're new here, please hit like and subscribe, the currency of YouTubers. I do videos on AI tools and side hustles and productivity. So here's some of the data. You can meet Vietnam. It's one factory. It's one address outside Ho Chi Minh City. But public U.S. Customs records show that Eclat shipped 2,021 orders to Lululemon over the last 12 months. That's hundreds of thousands of leggings. But here's where it gets interesting. So the same factory, same machine, same workers also shipped 8,700 orders to Nike, 424 to Vuori, 784 to Under Armour, 35 to Athleta, 6 to Alo Yoga, and 76 to Gap. So if you've ever bought a $98 Lululemon Align legging or a $35 Old Navy Power Soft legging, there's a real chance that the same person on the same machine made both of those. The fabric specs even match. We'll get into that in a minute. It's small compared to this next one. This is MAS Capital in Sri Lanka, and they run 60,000 shipments to Lululemon a year. That's basically a dedicated production partner. But that same factory ships 28,000 orders to Nike, 6,400 to Athleta, 2,000 to Patagonia, 654 to and 3,500 to Calvin Klein. So if you wear premium athleisure, that's what they call it, Mass Capital has probably touched it at some point. They probably helped make it. The premium activewear industry isn't, dozens of factories. It's probably 10 total that make all of the athletic leggings in America. So we have to understand that what we're paying for is not the manufacturing. I thought this was really interesting, but Bodyline, that makes a lot of Lululemon's bras and tops, they're in Sri Lanka. And the fabric specs are actually public because they have to declare them on the shipping paperwork. So we have access to that data of what is in what they're made of. It's not proprietary. These are not trade secrets, which means if you wanted to make a competing product, you didn't have to guess at the fabric. It's right there for you. Now, an obvious problem, if you wanted to go this direction and create like a competing legging business, you can't just call up MAS Capital. I mean, they're shipping out so much. If you're just like, I want 100 pairs, they're going to just ignore you. That's too small. But you don't need MAS Capital. You can approach smaller factories. You have exactly what you're needing and work with them. So this is where it gets interesting. So SourceReady is here. This video is sponsored by them. And honestly, they're the only reason this whole rabbit hole is possible. I love going down rabbit holes. But what you just watched, all that customs data, the factory cross-references, the fabric specs, that all came out of SourceReady's AI search in about 5 minutes. 2 years ago, that would have been a $5,000 sourcing agency project that took 3 months. But now it's just in a chat box. Can ask it whatever you want. So I'm going to search find activewear factories with knit polyamide elastane capabilities, MOQ under 500 that have shipped to Lululemon, Alo, or Vuori. Then I hit go. But it's using AI to go pull custom records, cross-reference the factories I'm looking for, filter to the smaller ones who might actually take my orders, and then will give me a ranked list, real names, real shipment volumes, real product histories. So AI got me some responses. This one looks pretty good. It's in China. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So in right here, I get their contact info. I could give them a call, but I'm more of an email person. But I can send them an email. This would have taken me, it would have taken me probably a couple weeks to get a spreadsheet of different potential suppliers and then to find the contact information. But again, I can go through all these different suppliers right away. I can email all of them today and just ask them, hey, what's your minimum order that I can do? What's your lead time? So if you've thought about starting a clothing brand, this is the actual playbook now that's possible. So you can pick a brand, a product that you want to compete with. We'll just say Lululemon because it's easy to say. I'm familiar with them, but whatever fits your audience. Then you can use SourceReady's competitor search to pull their suppliers list. Then you can filter for sister factories with smaller MOQs and matching fabric capabilities. The big factories are too big. The small ones are flexible. They'll work with you. They're just looking for orders. You can message 5 or 10 of them with your specific request, the order that you're looking for, the fabric blend, the lead times, like say exactly what you're looking for. And then the 2 or 3 that respond, get samples from them, compare quality, then pick one. And there you go. You have a real brand producing real clothing. And the reason I made this video is because most of the side hustles that I do are very online. And I think people are scared off by the manufacturing side of starting an actual brand of like clothing business. They think that there's some like secret club or you have to have secret connections to know these manufacturers. It's not true. You can just reach out to them. They will produce and send to you. There's been access to these factories for a long time, but now with AI tools like SourceReady, we have access to them pretty easily. So if you want to try SourceReady, the link is in the description. Pinned comment has the promo code for first-time signups. They're running a deal right now, so you can get it in pretty cheap. But if you've been sitting on a brand idea, you want to make some clothing business, this is your stop talking and start doing moment. This is the sign. Get started and do it today. And if you want to hop into our school group, it's actually free right now, but you can hop in, and this is where we kind of support you in getting people from ideas to actually starting these side hustles and get going on them. So I'll leave a link to that down below as well. Hop in there. Appreciate you guys very much. Love what I do. Love finding all these niche AI tools. Super cool what AI is unlocking for average everyday people. But God bless you guys and have a great rest of your day.